to me, click.
Hello guys, welcome to Code Like Me Genius channel. Today in this episode I am going to show you how to download Unity in PC. First open a web browser and search for Unity. After you can see Unity game development software. Open the official website of Unity software and create an account. After creating an account in Unity, click on Get Started and download Unity Hub in your PC. If you are individual, select Personal Package, and if you are an enterprise, select Enterprise or Team. Check all required tags for installing. If you are a new user, select New User Installation, and if you are a returning user, select Professional Installation. After installation, open Unity Hub and finish installation. And at the last, open the Unity Hub application and download required editor with device support and enjoy game designing in Unity like a professional. Bye bye guys, see you in next episode. I think that you have learned new thing in this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I am anytime free to clarify your doubts, and I have created a WhatsApp and FB group so anyone can join for free and upload tutorials and ask doubts.